Every girl said them worst relationship is with a Jamaican man. Why the girl them hate with so much? Let's find out. So this pie chart represents the makeup of the average Jamaican man. These numbered 1 through 10 is the 10 most common characteristics of the average Jamaican man. So let's assign a characteristic to a percentage. Boom, 50% bun. You have to get bun. From your link with a yard man, you have to get bun. Jamaica have the most bakery in the world, so you have to get bun from somewhere. So you know what, that even fear? Not 50% bun, let's say 25%. Next 25 now we go push lie. Jamaican man lie your fuck. We love lie to a woman, we love lie down with other woman, just lie. Alright, the next 25% is cocky. My girl, the best fuck you ever go get is going to be from a Jamaican man. That's why Jamaica is the land of food and water. The only place you can get better wood than from a Jamaican man is from a cedar tree, and that still grow a Jamaica. Moving on, 3% money. You understand? Jamaican man, we don't really have money, but we just fuck a girl them good and then borrow for them.